Are you grappling with an issue where clicking on shortcuts brings up the Properties box instead of opening the program or file? Well, it's a common issue, and it can be quite frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of something important. Today, we're going to tackle this problem head-on and provide an easy solution for it. This problem typically occurs on Windows systems, where a simple click on a shortcut icon opens the Properties window instead of the intended program or file. It disrupts the flow of work and can be quite irritating. But worry not, because there is a simple solution to this common issue. The answer lies in your keyboard. You don't need to tinker with settings or attempt complicated workarounds. The solution is as easy as pressing both Alt keys on your keyboard at the same time. Yes, it's that straightforward. This nifty keyboard shortcut circumvents the Properties box and takes you directly to your desired program or file. Now, let's dive into the steps to create a Mouse Properties shortcut on your Windows 10 desktop. We'll also discuss how to ensure your desktop shortcut icons display correctly. In addition, we'll cover the shortcut key to open properties of a file, offering a complete resolution to this frequently encountered Windows issue. So, bid farewell to the frustration of unintentionally opening properties when all you want to do is access your shortcuts. With the Alt key trick, you can regain control of your Windows experience. To summarize, the problem of shortcuts opening the Properties box instead of the intended program or file is a common issue on Windows systems. The solution is as simple as pressing both Alt keys on your keyboard simultaneously. This handy trick bypasses the Properties box and takes you directly to your desired program or file. It's time to take back control of your Windows experience and say goodbye to this pesky problem. Thanks for joining us in this video. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks to enhance your Windows experience.